Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're grabbing a stack of sources focused on one of the most aspirational beauty products out there right now,
Oh, yeah.
the Lotmay Stem Cell Drops. These are oral supplements that promise, well, pretty much total skin and joint rejuvenation.
They really do.
So our mission for you is simple. We want to cut through all that glossy marketing and find out what the science actually says is happening when you take these drops. So let's start with the pitch. It's marketed as a daily oral stem cell and collagen peptide formula.
Right.
And the claims are that users will see firmer texture, fewer wrinkles, and even a more, sculpted facial appearance.
And that language is masterful. I mean,
Yeah.
they're using all the right buzzwords: polyphenols, growth factors, active antioxidants. They are selling cellular regeneration.
An aspiration in a bottle.
Exactly. But immediately, our sources flagged a major gap: transparency. Once you look past the buzzwords, the core issue is a complete lack of verifiable data.
Okay, so what does that lack of verifiable data actually look like? What's missing?
Well, it's the essentials, really. The company promotes these powerful plant growth factors and, stem cell-inspired benefits, but they don't offer the proof.
Like what, specifically?
We're talking no clear, publicly available ingredient list, unverified dosages, and, this is the big one, zero third-party lab reports.
Oh.
For a premium product that you're supposed to take every single day, that missing third-party report is a huge red flag. That's what verifies purity. It's what confirms the dose on the bottle is actually what's inside.
That makes the cost-to-trust ratio seem pretty suspect. But we have to talk about the elephant in the bottle here, the stem cells themselves.
Yes.
What's the fundamental scientific issue with taking oral stem cell drops and, expecting them to reshape your face?
The sources all agree. The science is, to be generous, non-existent on this. The whole idea relies on complex proteins, like a whole stem cell or these growth factors, surviving your digestive tract.
Which is highly acidic.
Extremely acidic. The idea that they can get through that, be absorbed into your bloodstream completely intact, and then travel to your skin to trigger change, biologically, that's just not how it works.
So unlike a vitamin or maybe a simple protein fragment, those gig complex molecules are basically just dismantled by stomach acid.
Exactly. They get broken down into general amino acids, just like a piece of chicken or any other protein you eat.
Okay.
And this is why when you see ingredient lists that feature collagen peptides, that's different. Those are intentionally small, fragmented proteins designed specifically for easier absorption. Very different from a large, fragile growth factor molecule.
Okay, so if the incredible stem cell promise is unsubstantiated, but some users are still reporting, smoother skin, more hydration, what are we actually buying here?
You're likely buying a combination of a standard collagen or antioxidant supplement that's been amplified by really, really potent marketing.
Right.
This is where we hit what the sources call the wellness gray zone. Supplements like this are generally safe, sure, because they have ingredients like collagen, but they're regulated differently than drugs.
Meaning they can make these big claims without the clinical trials to prove them.
Precisely. At best, these drops are functioning like a standard high-end antioxidant capsule. Any of the contour or firming improvements people report that could easily be attributed to better hydration, a consistent skincare routine, or just the powerful placebo effect you get from using an expensive product.
So to wrap this analysis up, the Lotmay drops are polished, they're expensive, but they just don't have the peer-reviewed research needed to support the really dramatic claims of, cellular regeneration and sculpting.
Right. The stem cell narrative is doing far more of the heavy lifting than the actual science inside the bottle.
And that raises an important final question for you.
Yeah, if the core benefit is simply collagen and antioxidants packaged beautifully, what key factors like transparency, cost comparison, or verified testing should you prioritize when deciding if a premium supplement is truly worth your investment beyond that shiny marketing narrative?
Something to consider next time you see a viral wellness drop. Until next time.